Guys, there's no way this is only $8 right now. You just gotta put some water in there. Take your favorite cologne. Couple sprays. 1, 2. Close the cap. And this is how it looks. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, my room smells crazy good right now. Whew. Yo, that smells fire. But don't do what I just did right now, because it's gonna make your head hurt. So what you wanna do is you wanna open up the windows so the air circulates in your room. If you guys want that, I'm gonna put it down in the link below. It's gonna look fire, guys. So if you guys want to, get it fast. It's only $8.